Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe!
Yeah, all right, we are going to sample Trader Joe's almond butter filled pretzel nuggets. Ooh. All right, so Trader Joe's, they do have a really delicious peanut butter filled pretzels, something we love to get. We get it over and over again. So on our scale of a 1 to 4, that would get a 4 definitely,
yeah,
right?
Sure.
And they wouldn't last very long, will they?
They won't.
Okay, but in this case, we saw this and said, let's try it. So here we go.
Yeah.
As you're opening it up, while he's getting that open, if you like what you see, you hit that thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button down below. Let's see, 8 pieces is a serving and it's 140 calories. So let's get to it.
These are big, everything.
No, it's about the same size.
No, the other ones are.
Let's have a taste. Got milk. Oh my gosh, I feel terrible. On a scale of 1 to 4, 4 meaning we get this again, 1 meaning hard pass, this gets a 1 for me. Why go for almond when you could actually have the peanut? What do you say?
I say the same. I give these a 1. That's because the almond inside of the peanut doesn't taste.
Inside the pretzel.
Inside the pretzel.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't taste right. It tastes weird. It tastes incorrect. Which I don't like. The pretzel and the almond don't mix that well.
Doesn't mix. Actually, the almond it's a sweeter nut compared to peanut butter. That's why in peanut butter they put salt in it. You know, I guess to make a long story short, it's sweet. It's sweet. I don't like it. I don't like sweet. No, I don't like it. It's sweet tasting. The consistency of the almond butter is off-putting too. It's a little harder, crumblier. It's not as smooth as peanut butter, so yeah. Hard pass.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Better luck next time, Trader Joe's.
All these videos have been scams. I'm going to go eat me a piece of fruit. Good night.
I know, right? Yes. Hey, this is the ultimate snack right here. So.
Wrong. This is the ultimate snack right here. Lemons, let's go.
Okay, anyway.
If you're part of the Lemon Squad, drop a like in the comment section down below.
Yeah, and if you are part of the Apple Squad, then I want you to hit that subscribe button.
If you're not part of any of these squads, do both. Who cares?
I know, right? Yeah, you're right. Okay, so until next time, everyone.